To customize always on display on Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all we can open settings. Over here in settings, if you scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find lock screen and AOD. And then in here you can tap on always on display in order to find some basic customization options. However, these options are very limited and they don't change that much. Still, it is worth checking out because you can, for example, decide when AOD should be woken up, when it should be shown. Besides that, you can also go back to settings and choose themes instead, and you will open Galaxy themes. Here at the bottom you can switch to AODs, and here we can find some custom AOD themes that we can use on our phone. So let's say I'm gonna switch to the top to see most popular options. We can also switch from all to free, so I can see the free content only, and then we can try to find something that you may like the most. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. We need to download, of course, this theme, this image, and then we can apply it on our phone. And you can decide if you want to use the clock and the image, or just the image. In my case, I'm gonna use both. Tap on done, and then AOD is set up, and it is changed. So that is pretty much it. And of course, if you now go to the AOD settings, so let's go back. There we go. And then you should be able to, for example, switch to the lock screen wallpaper in case you want to remove this custom image. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.